It was another horrible rainy day in York, so we decided to have a visit in the York Castle Museum, which is absolutely fantastic, by the way. This is a variety of front rooms, parlours, lounges, whatever you want to call it, from different backgrounds and statuses in the community. Which one do you like the best? I was privileged enough to own a chopper back in the day, a second-hand one, of course. Looking around the museum, you come to the 1950s, and this room definitely reminds me of Grandma's house, I guess. Press your button.
Well, you press the button, it doesn't work.
Here we go.
Oh.
And this is basically what we have in our garage. We definitely have most of these things.
I think Josh has got a few, hasn't he?
Yeah. We had some of these as well. This is some of the bedrooms through the different ages. Do you want one of them, Brenda?
Yeah. Oh, Gen 1, a bit like that.
It's not as good as Phoebe's. Well, I think I would look really nice in this one. Would you wear that one?
Yeah, I'll wear them all.
I definitely had one of these Afghan coats when I was pretending to be a hippie. Moving on to the kitchens. What's the oldest one you remember? Unfortunately, we were following some guy who just loved the sound of his own voice and kept playing bits of music. It was really doing me head in. This is what you want, Brenda.
Yeah. It's strange. Oh, there's two of us on that one.
You wouldn't fall off that one.
No.
This is a fantastic display of what Victorian York would have looked like. They're all actually real buildings that have been taken down and carefully rebuilt. It's pretty dark in here sometimes, but they keep changing the light to portray different times of the day and different types of weather. It was really good. It's all been rebuilt inside, which was formerly the women's jail in York.
And he brings the gates and he puts them there on the street as his entrance to the candle factory.
It was really, really dark. I've actually had to lighten it up a bit so we can see it.
Which, in my opinion, is not as exciting as
Into the Drapers? Suits you, sir.
So I would say, when you say to people, how long would you recommend? We would say 3 hours. 2 hours here, 1 hour over there.
How fantastic would it have been to drive round in these horse and carriages? Follow me into the gloomy slums. It can't have been a pleasant experience living in these places. You said you wanted the Louvre.
I did.
We've seen the butcher, the baker, now it's the candlestick maker. You've left the washing out, Brett.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Oh, hello.
Welcome to the pharmacy.
I didn't know you were a real person. It was quite spooky, some of it.
I kind of got an idea that the whole thing would have been top and down.
Yeah, the whole yeah.
When we cartoons. Yeah. Tweety. It wasn't me. I didn't do it.
All right to me. Back to school.
Is he going the right way? He's going backwards.
Let's go the other way. Faster. I, like a fool, had been doing it the wrong way. Brenda showed me how to do it, though. There was a few different machines to have a go of, but it wasn't too bad, 20 pence. This one was a bit weird, though. Brenda wants to rub the lamp. What's Aladdin going to do? Ooh.
You better do something. Oh, there's me gold.
Did you have a clippy, Matt?
Well, we sat here in the York Castle Museum and it's been absolute fun. You can see behind us all these old streets. It's been lovely.
That's been really good work.
But we've just spotted the Trumpton machine and we're going to have a go at that. We're going to splash out and spend 20p. So let's have a look at that one before we go. I can't remember whether the fire brigade thing was in Trumpton or Camberwick Green.
It wasn't really the Trumpton machine. It was just that crazy guy who'd been playing a tune in the background again. Very annoying. It's a good job it was only 20 pence.
Well, we've just popped onto a train in York and we're just heading back to 1914 apparently. Bye bye.
Raining. Apparently this is where they used to do the executions. Quite gruesome, really. And this wall is one of the only remaining parts of the original York Castle. Now there was some groovy kind of 60s music going on here, but I'll have to take it out because of YouTube. Will probably put a copyright notice on me or something. But just imagine the Beatles and a bit of The Who. It was all good stuff. It's not really my kind of music on the jukebox, just a bit before my time. sure we just seen a real ghost.
Fergie and his friends might be here any moment. Do you want to end up like me? Just borrowed a few shillings I can't pay back, and here I am, locked up until my debts be paid. I don't know about you, but wouldn't want to be locked up in this place at all.
To Australia anyway.
What do you think, Bren? Nah. It's a good job we're good people.
So, you've just come to see a man ready to hang
That'll be
out.
tricky Dick Turpin then.
Look at my retreat if you wait to see it. It'll come. Well, my dad will get me a good character reference. I wasn't born to hang. Not me.
Come to see the traitor, have you? All right, that's what they call me. Get your husband killed on his petty treason, as if he were a king. King John Portingham? Ah! My children, I call that spineless little worm, and I knew it was the smuggler he was.
So apparently this little cell held 20 women.
Next, Your Honour,
Because it's got to be there.
a petition from prisoners at York Castle with about 40 signatures. A great...
You ask, my friend, and well you may, you ask me how I spend the day.
Well, we just spent 2 hours in the York Museum, which is behind us. I don't know whether you can see. It was pretty good. Yeah, it went from all kinds of ages, didn't it? Way back. Hundreds of years, hundreds and hundreds of years. Or up to the 60s as well. So, yeah, it was pretty good. Did you enjoy it?
I did. It was really good.
Right.
It's something to do on the afternoon.
Pizza time now then.
All in all, it was a fantastic way to spend a rainy day. If you've enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and go on, you can subscribe too. It's completely free, you know. Catch you next time.